So with football season well into its way and Super Bowl right around the corner, everybody loves chicken wings, right? Okay. So now we're gonna do a twist on chicken wings today. Asian little mix called the Oyster Wings. Okay? We're gonna walk you through this process. First, we're going to brine our wings. We're gonna add a salt and sugar solution, equal parts, added with water to break down the enzymes to bring you a juicy and flavorful chicken. Make sure you get everything dissolved. And you're simply going to just add that to your wings. Okay? And they need to be submerged, and they probably need to sit for, I'd say, an hour or two, even overnight if you have the time. Okay, so we're set with all of our ingredients for our oyster wings. We have our brined wings here. We have a bird's eye Thai chili, minced ginger, minced garlic, scallion, very thinly sliced, oyster sauce, and sherry. We also have a palm sugar, okay, a natural sugar that comes from Southeast Asia, rice wine or mirin. We have some garlic powder. Okay, so now we have our wings that have been drained. We're gonna add those right there. And now, very interesting part. We have tapioca starch mixed with cornstarch. And this is gonna give you your crunch and that bite that you really want on your wings. Just gonna add that. Okay. And we're gonna season with just a little bit of garlic powder. And a little bit of sea salt, because remember, we're using oyster sauce, which is really salty, so you do not want to over season this dish. All right, we got our wings all seasoned with our cornstarch and our tapioca starch, our garlic powder, and our sea salt. Let's just toss these guys. Make sure they're well coated, don't make a mess. And let's remove that covering. We've got our wings all tossed. All right, so we're gonna add some oil just to release the flavor of this garlic that we're about to add to the dish. So we're gonna add our garlic. And we're gonna add our minced ginger that we had earlier. And we're just going to let that kind of saute a bit. Okay. So everything's releasing really well. You don't want to brown the garlic. You just want to release the flavor and the essence within the garlic. You start seeing things sticking about in the pan, time for some moisture. And here we have our sherry wine. Wow, look at that. Boom. Now we're gonna use that sherry wine to sort of dissolve our palm sugar. This is what's next. Okay? So we're gonna dissolve our palm sugar and sort of make a simple syrup, if you will. Okay? Just be patient a little bit and let that dissolve. All right. So now we've created the simple syrup with the garlic, the ginger, the Thai chili, the water, and the palm sugar. Now we're going to add just a dash of rice wine vinegar, which is mirin. Okay? Just going to add a little bit of acid to our dish. You always want sweet, salty, and acid. Those all come together to create this umami feeling. Okay, now next is the key and the star of the show, the oyster sauce. So let's get that guy in there. And let's get that in to get our oyster sauce the way we want it. Oh, that looks dope. Okay, so we have our wings that are dusted in tapioca starch and cornstarch. been sitting for about 30 minutes to 45 minutes. You just want that to stick and kind of dry to the skin. And remember, the wings have already been brined. So we're gonna drop these right in and let these guys go. Now we just toss our wings in our amazing oyster sauce we just made. And make sure you toss it good and it gets in every little crease and crevice. And then we go to town on our famous oyster wings.